And welcome back. This is a 5-minute teardown of an old burglar alarm sensor. Right, let's take the front cover off. Oh. Back cover's fallen off. Screws to hold it to the wall. And we have, just turn autofocus off. Right, battery completely dead. It's been on the wall for about 5 years. And we have a switch. Now that's their safety switch that stops you opening the case and removing the battery. So as you open the case, it should have at least a short period of time send an alarm signal. The thing it doesn't have is it doesn't have any form that I can see at the moment of switching to detect if you've levered it off the wall. My current ones not only have a sensor for like the battery compartment, they also have a sensor to detect if the case gets broken or it gets removed from the wall. So there's loads more sensors to detect if it's being tampered with or trying to be removed. Right, let's take that over. Get my hands out of the way. Screws. Any more screws? Nope. Oh. Something in there. Something to stop it from coming apart. Some catches. Maybe it goes that way. Brute force and ignorance works every time. Right, so there was obviously a panel that could be removed there. It's got some hot snot on it, and the Fresnel lens to guide. Not sure. Can you see that? Cobwebs on it across the sensor. Oh, there's loads of cobwebs in here. The spider's had a field day. Right, one more screw. That's well screwed in. So, what have we in the way of ICs? Let's bring microscope camera in. HT-12E 9730W, that's the number. Up here, ICES47ED2. Is that the 45th week of 94? And a RFM R02021 module, or is it a BRBU7? Now, is that saying it runs on 418 megahertz? Don't recognise that as a number. Pretty crude. Not much on the back. Little tiny aerial. Just make it out down there. So we have the house code 12345, and we have an on delay or off instant, and the anti-tamper switch. Surprised there isn't any more anti-tamper switches, as it's not very good. Also an option for another IC down there. Oh no, sorry, that's the IC underneath. Didn't realise that. The ID of the component is on the top. So what's on? Is there any writing on the sensor? Let's bring that little camera back in again. Heimann, however you pronounce that. 3934 LHI 958 751. How many connections has it got on the back of it? So it must be here. 1, 2. Possibly 1, 2, 3. Interesting. See if I can find information on that one. If you want to see more like this, hit on subscribe, click on the bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.